The thing which you want to focus on between this happiness and the sadness, these are the two sides of the coin that you are a part of. What is missing? Because there is something missing or lacking which is not allowing us to be happy. So you have a certain things which are going well for you. There are certain things which are not going well for you. But what we are not able to identify is the gap between these two. So I want you to think, reflect, and come back in your own diaries, in your own notebook, that what is missing? What did I lack? What should I have done differently? The reason I'm asking you is most of you want to set up the goals for 2024. I'm sure you have done the same exercise in 2023 as well, and still haven't got there. But the key is not about setting the goal. The key is also about understanding whether these goals can be bridged with what is missing. And if you do not know what is missing, you will always be calling, okay, I have set up such goals. I'm not driven. I'm a procrastinator. I'm a perfectionist. I'm this, I'm that. And now you will start beating about yourself. That is where you will go wrong path. Now you want to probably ask yourself the question that what is missing. Now some of you say that nothing has gone right. Some of you say it was not my fault, and some of you say, okay, I'll have to figure out a lot of things. Everything is fine. Those who are saying I don't know what, it was somebody else, please ask yourself again this question until you come to yourself. The reason is there is no possibility on this planet that something happened where your role is not there. The worst example that can ever happen in the anybody's career is the company gets close. Question is, are you so blind that you cannot see it coming when the company is getting close? When you go out, you actually taste the food and then take it. You go out for your children, you check everything and then do it. Bloody, you are working in a company, you can't even search for that whether this company is going to survive for the next appraisal cycle or not. And then say, company got closed, Rakesh, how is my fault? Your lack of awareness is your fault. You can always tell me that, Rakesh, it was not my fault. I'll always prove you rationally that it was your fault. That is why I told you, you have to own your life and career both. So if you write down top 10 things which you are grateful for, if you write down top 10 things which has gone wrong in 2023, and what is the missing link? That missing link is what we are going to probably discuss a lot while bridging the gap, and that process requires a journey of self-transformation, skill transformation, actions, strategies. A lot of things are required in that process. Whether you go through the process or not, it's your choice. My job is to show you that there is a process which can help you to reach there.